Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve your audio problem or any of the sound problem which you face in Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. So for example, you have some problem with the sound in your Windows 10 operating system. So let's see step by step what you can do to troubleshoot the problem and even solve the problem. So the first step is to go to your sound icon here, and in here just make sure that your volume bar is not on the left hand side. So when it's like this, it's muted and you will not be able to hear anything, but most probably this is not the problem you are facing, right? And the second option what you can do is, first of all, it's always a good practice to right click on your sound icon and then just click the troubleshoot sound problems, and this will most probably give you the description of the sound problems and even solve the sound problems for you. But if it doesn't fixes your sound problem, there is some other ways. So just troubleshoot it, and if it doesn't fix your problem, then let's go to the next step what you can do. So the next step what you can do here is go to your search text box here, and in here just search for device manager. Okay, so search for device manager here, and the first option which you will find here is device manager, which is inside the control panel, right? So just click this device manager, and in here it's going to open all the devices which are supported in your Windows 10 operating system, and from here you can manage your devices, right? So in here we need to search for the sound, video and game controllers, which is this option. Okay, sound, video and game controllers, and in here just expand this and you will be able to see high definition audio device. And in here, first of all, right click on it and go to the properties, and in the properties you will be able to see general properties, and this says this device is working properly. And in the driver you will be able to see this option which says update driver. Okay, so in most of the cases you may just need to update your audio driver and the problem will be solved. So we will try to update the driver, so just click update driver, and once you click this, just choose the second option which says browse my computer for the driver software, and in here you don't need to choose any location, but you just need to pick this option which says let me pick from the list of device driver on my computer. So just click this option, and you will be able to see multiple option or maybe one option depending upon the driver installed on your computer. So from this you need to just choose this high definition audio device from here. Okay, and then click next, and then just click yes here, and it's going to update all the drivers related to audio in your computer. So just wait for this update, and once the update is finished, just once again restart your computer and check for the audio, if your audio problem is solved or not. Most probably your audio problem will be solved, but if it's not solved, then we have the next option. So you can see Windows has successfully updated your driver, so you can restart your computer and check it, right? If this doesn't solve your problem, once more you have the next option. So I'm going to close this, but I'm in the device manager once again, and I will go to the sound, video and game controller once again, and I will choose high definition audio device once again. And this time what I will do is I will right click here and uninstall the driver first. Okay, so remember this option you only need to do if your audio problem is not solved by updating the driver. Okay, so just uninstall your driver and just reboot your computer once again. So when you reboot your computer, it's automatically going to install this driver for you. Okay, and this probably will solve your problem. So uninstall and then just reboot your computer, and it's going to install it once again, and check your audio once again, and if it's solved then it's okay. But if it's not solved, then we have the last option here. So once again, click your sound or speaker icon, right click on it, and then this time just choose this option which says playback devices. Okay, and this is going to open this kind of sound menu, and you just need to choose the speakers here, which is by default selected, but if it's not selected, just choose this and then go to the properties here, and in the properties go to the enhancement, and in here, if this checkbox is checked, just check this unchecked box. Yeah, right. So by default it's unchecked, so what you need to do is you just need to check it and then apply the changes and then click OK, and then once again just test whether your audio is working or not. Okay, so just check it, apply and click OK, and test once again if the audio works or not. But if it doesn't work, once again just go to the advanced settings here, and in here choose the last option first of all. Okay, so choose this last option and then just click this test button and see for any changes in this speaker here. So just click test, and you can see it's giving some volume or audio for us, right? So if it's giving, then it's okay. Otherwise, just choose the different option and test them once again until your problem is solved. Okay, so these are some of the ways by using them you can solve your audio problems. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.